Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, I really liked Ford, and I liked it above that 1540 level. And you can see that was pretty much the low of the day. A bunch of my traders were rocking this yesterday. Carlos S., a newbie to the Java Pit Trading Room, made 32 cents on his Ford call. So fantastic, Carlos. Great job on that. Also, Foxy got into this one. Roger got a trade. You can see it came to that 120 simple moving average, which is a very strong moving average. Bounced off. So watch that for the second trade on this, from 1562 to about that 1587 level. Not too much volume coming in right now, so be wary. Could have a little pop and drop situation right now. All right, so also yesterday I told you to keep an eye on XLF after spotting millions and millions of sell prints at that 25.19 level. This was a fantastic short yesterday. It came all the way down to 24.95. Continue to watch that 25 level. If it can't hold today, there's a lot of room to the downside on this as well. Also, S-Fund, that was another one I told you to keep an eye on. If you recall, I was only bullish above where we spotted those prints at about $9.05 and $8.95. It popped up, couldn't quite break up through the 920, came down. I lost 4 cents on this trade, and you know what? You got to get out. You could have shorted this and made a lot of money on the downside. And let's see what else. Oh, yesterday we spotted tons and tons of late sell prints on the SPY, all at 212.03. If you follow me on StockTwits, look, I always post pictures. Prints are coming in at 10:44 in the morning. I started to see them and posting them up, and we started to see tons of them. I turned bearish at 105, and I started to short the market. You can see we came all the way down to 210.50 at the end of the day. So keep your eye on that level, 212.03. As long as we stay below that, I am still bearish. There is a pivot point that we are violating right now as I'm talking, 211.06. So bearish below the pivot as well on that. So yesterday, my traders rocked it on the short side. Ron had some phenomenal trades on UVXY. He bought some SPY puts, great trading. John H. had a fantastic trade on Lennar. Oh, Don K. Wow, he had a $2 swing on CMCM. But the trader of the day goes to Ricky, a.k.a. the Options Whisperer. She has been whispering about Netflix for quite some time. She's been long this, and she sold it pretty much right at the top. So great trading, Ricky. Fantastic. She also teaches here every Tuesday. She teaches in the Java Pit. We have an 11 o'clock meeting. So thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us, Ricky. Also, Jake and Donna had some fantastic swings on FCX. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, I'm not seeing that many things that I'm really loving right now, but STM is heating up. I spotted a nice print here, 843, drew a couple trend lines. Going to be bullish above 840 with a target of around 860 on this one. Also, AT&T has some pretty decent volume coming in it this morning. Going to be bullish above $36. Let's see, $36.50 would be my first target on this guy. So come watch me trade this stock and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. And don't forget, I am doing a free event tonight, how to master the tape and trade like a market maker. So come to my website and sign up. There's a couple of seats left. Happy trading, everybody.